Alright, yeah, my name's Jonathan. This is my bus, my schoolie, the Zelemir Dekker. This was built on an '83 Bluebird. So I got an 8-cylinder, 10-cylinder. I think it's an 8 Detroit diesel. 8-cylinder Detroit diesel. And yeah, this is the rig.
Hey.
Inside, I got my drone right there, my bookshelf. This is the couch area. I built all this, so this all lifts up. Coffee table lifts up. I got my board games and stuff down there. Up here, I got my Xbox 360 and my projector kind of hanging. I got a projector screen. Pulls down over here. Let's see, around the corner here is my composting toilet. You can get a little bit of light in there. It's got that Nature's Head, the same one that everybody else has. Let's see, I used to have a fridge here, but my electricity wasn't too good. So right now, at the moment, I just got a cooler, which has been fine. I might put a fridge back on. I got some better electricity now. My sink here, I got a 42-gallon water tank. Let's turn that on. It just drains into a 5-gallon bucket, which I just dump out. And then my water tank is back there. So I don't have like the gray water and whatever else. I just have my clean water tank, and it goes. I can fill it from the outside. It almost is like a gas tank opening. I can just fill it from the outside with a hose, and then I just dump out my my dirty sink water. And then back here, this is kind of a little bit unique to my bus. I wanted it to be able to travel with a lot of people, so I have a queen-size bunk bed that I built. It's nice and sturdy. I try to not have more than 2 people up top, though, just for. I feel pretty confident about the sturdiness of it, but because I feel more comfortable if no more than 2 people up top. And then my closet area is kind of over here. This is just a closet rack, and then I built some extra storage under the bed. I built a hinge on it, so that lifts up. It's nice for storage. And yeah, my batteries are back there, and then my solar panels are on the roof up there.
How much solar do you have?
I have 400 watts. 400 watts of solar. I have 2 150s and a 100 watt. And then I have 6 6-volt batteries. I can't remember if my inverter's 1 or 2,000 watts. I think it's 2,000. I can't remember.
Yep,
and I just use. I don't have the actual. Stove? Yeah, this is just the propane, one of the Coleman's. I didn't do an actual propane setup. Part of it was laziness. Part of it was just not knowing what to do, and I just figured, okay, I can just use one of these. I mean, if I could go back and do it again, I probably would have ran a propane line and actually had a stove like a lot of them have. But this has worked for me just fine. I was in a hurry to get out on the road, so I didn't want to put the extra time in. I really wanted to get out on the road as soon as possible. So, I cut a few corners at the end.
How long was your build?
My build was 1.5 years. I was by myself. I didn't have other people helping me. A lot of people, there were couples or whatever. I was by myself. So it took me a while. Also, I didn't have a set place to park. So there was a couple months, there's probably 3 months in total where I just couldn't work on it because I needed a place to park and needed to use my power tools and stuff. So I was moving around from Walmart parking lots for a while and different hassles and inconveniences. But it took 1.5 years in total.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Yeah, for sure, man. No worries.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of this week's rig, and join us again next Saturday for another episode.